The Salesforce role hierarchy is a feature provided by Salesforce that enables you to allocate Salesforce users in a certain sort of a tree, a descending tree formation that allows record access up a hierarchy. Now, in many cases, it will closely mirror the structure of an organization in terms of the organizational structure, but the key is to use it to help enable record access in the right way. So in other videos we've spoken about Salesforce sharing settings and how you can set organizational defaults for who can see what in terms of other people's records of a certain object. So the options are, for an organizational default, you can have somebody being private only, so only the owner can see the record and edit the record and transfer, or public, so everyone can see it but they can't do anything with it, or public read write, and then public read write transfer. So you can set those as an org-wide default, but the roles hierarchy enables you to automatically let people above other users in the hierarchy see those records of those users below them in the hierarchy. So typically be some sort of a salesperson, sales manager, VP, etc. And it just enables people that are supervising a group of people to see the records of all those people that they are responsible for. So you don't have to use the role hierarchy, but it's a very useful way. So the role hierarchy looks something like this. This is a default setting, so all the labels are very much aligned with a business sales situation. But depending on the nature of your business, your roles may be very different, and they may just be mirroring sort of territorial labels. But editing this is very simple. So you can see that every single item has got the edit option. So you can just change what the text is if you want to alter the label. So I've clicked edit there. Once that loads, I can just change that label, delete a word, add a word. So I'll save that. So I've just changed the label and it doesn't impact the underlying function. So you can change labels without worry. And then you can also add a new role anywhere you want. So you see underneath each branch, there's an option to add a role, and you can then call it whatever you feel like, and then save. And it's that simple to add new roles as well. Once you do that, you've got the option to assign users straight to that role, but otherwise it's very simple to add new roles and to edit existing roles. And you should definitely be using roles to make it more efficient in terms of sharing records within your organization, in addition to those org-wide defaults that you might have created in the sharing settings. Hope you have fun changing up your organizational roles.